Mr. He Qinghua, the founder of Sunward Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, is a university professor with rich life experiences. In August 1999, relying on the patent for invention and a loan of 500,000 RMB, he enthusiastically embarked on a difficult journey of entrepreneurship by leading several teachers of the university and leasing the idle plant, so as to better transform his research findings into products of practical application. Today, with the total assets of more than 6.5 billion RMB and over 3,000 employees, Sunward has developed into a respected international business group and has successfully ranked among the top 50 global construction machinery industry. The group has successfully developed more than 160 high-quality and high-performance equipment of standard models and specifications and distinctive Sunward features, with a wide application in the following fields, including underground construction equipment, a complete series of excavators, modern rock drilling equipment, hoisting machinery, industrial vehicles, coal mine machinery, military construction machinery, hydraulic components, general aviation equipment, etc. With rapid development based on the industry-university research cooperation and indigenous innovation, great importance has been attached to Sunward Intelligent by all sectors of society and state leaders, including Li Keqiang, Wen Jiabao, have visited the company. Sunward has obtained a series of national honors and passed a series of important quality certifications. The development of Sunward can also be considered as the development of products and technology, and a pilot innovation model and system with Sunward features has been established. After continuous improvement, hydraulic static pile drivers with the most complete varieties, functions, and optimum performance, and a green precast pile static construction method with Chinese characteristics have been developed. In addition to widespread application in China, the product and construction method have been widely popularized in Southeast Asia, CIS countries, and Central America. The rotary drilling rig is a kind of high-end piling machinery with integrative technique of mechanics, electronics, hydraulics. With better stability and higher working performance, the products have been exported in batches to more than 30 countries, including the United States, Canada, Italy, Russia, India, etc. Moreover, Sunward has launched a powerful multifunctional drilling rig with dual power units characterized by greater technical difficulty, which has also successfully entered the high-end markets of foundation construction in Hong Kong, South Korea, etc. The year 2001 was the most sluggish year for Chinese excavator industry. During this period, the newly established Sunward started to cope with the impacts on this vanguard product of construction machinery in the least shabby plant, overcame a series of unimaginable difficulties, and established an independent R&D, manufacturing and supporting system of excavators, thus creating a multiple industrial first. The first enterprise to bring excavators that meet the modern standards to the market in batches. At present, with an inventory of more than 6,000 sets in Europe, Sunward has become an enterprise with the largest inventory of Chinese excavators in foreign countries. In the summer of 2010, Jukka, a young man from Finland, drove a Sunward excavator and finished a trouble-free trip through Finland for more than 1,000 miles in 29 days, which caused a sensation in the industry. The founders of Sunward Intelligent R&D team have been devoted in R&D of rock drilling equipment since the 1980s. Sunward provides the customers with a family of integrated down-the-hole drilling rigs that have been tested by drilling and blasting constructions at 42 degrees Celsius above zero in Africa, minus 35 degrees Celsius in Russia, at an altitude of 5,300 meters in Tibet, as well as 50 meters below the sea surface. Sunward is the first enterprise in China that develops a series of skid steer loaders with proprietary intellectual property and related, most completed, multifunctional attachments in China. The telescopic crawler cranes are especially favored by the users in Singapore and other developed regions. The coal cutters and heading machine, creating a new record in the coal mining equipment industry. Sunward greatly supports the national industry of the construction equipment by Sunward Design. Meanwhile, Sunward is heading for a higher level field of general aviation manufacture. Light Sport Plane, which has performed aerobatic flights at the China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, is a homemade plane that is integrally formed and made of carbon fiber composite. This is the plane manufactured from Sunward Intelligent Equipment Group, and Sunward is the only privately operated aircraft manufacturing enterprise with both the airworthiness certification and production certificate issued by CAAC. In the tall and capacious plant, covering an area of hundred thousands of square meters, the numeric control machining centers of all models, the welding robots, precise plasma blanking line, three-dimension laser cutting line, electrophoretic paint, and all modern assembly lines describe the world-leading manufacturer. We create our own values by creating values for customers. Sunward has set up a powerful marketing and service platform in the headquarters customer call center, works 24 hours a day, and reflects the customer complaint to the company in the shortest possible time. More than 10 Sunward subsidiaries, the professional sales service team, inclusive of the localization staff, is organized, and the central fittings warehouse and complete unit warehouse are built. Sunward trademark has been registered in dozens of countries. In the large-scale international construction exhibitions like BICES in Beijing, BAMA Shanghai, BAMA Munich, Intermat Paris, ConExpo Las Vegas, the beautiful Sunward greens have obtained the respect and appraisal from both home and abroad. Holding the core value of self-cultivation, enterprising, and social responsibility, Sunward participates actively in various charitable donation activities, set up grants and scholarships, and actively undertakes the social responsibility. In 2008 Wenchuan earthquake, Sunward assigns the rescue team within the first time, along with construction machinery, money and goods in total value of over 5 million RMB to open up the roads closed down due to the earthquake and help the victims. In 2002, the chairman of Sunward gave the speech, "Keep Practice of Shrift and Eliminate Extravagance." His speech won repeatedly the warm applauses of over 2,000 members of CPPCC. To be the creator of world value in the equipment manufacturing field, living through 15 years of trials and hardships, Sunward is now leading a new journey to achieve a new height.